Police have laid charges after a man died in a hit-and-run collision in the 4000 block of Center Street North. 26-year-old Moises Morales died in hospital after being hit by a northbound Honda Accord that fled the scene. 4.5 hours later, a driver turned himself into police.
There was so much press coverage in relation to what happened yesterday morning that Ersan was convinced by his, I believe, his girlfriend and his housemate to actually surrender himself into custody.
Police said the suspect admitted to having consumed alcohol.
But because of that 4.5 hour gap between the collision and actually coming into our custody, he could have done anything in that time frame, of which we don't know. So we have to be realistic on what we can charge. We can't charge for the alcohol, though what we can do is certainly mention it in court for mitigation purposes.
At any rate, initially fleeing the scene could come with a stiffer penalty than if he was impaired and had stuck around.
We're talking about a hit-and-run causing death, which has a possible sentence of life imprisonment. Impaired driving very rarely involves imprisonment. If that had been the case and he'd remained at scene, that could have been all we would have charged him with. Obviously, it's speculation because we don't know what his blood alcohol level was at that time. But certainly fleeing the scene of the collision just compounds the whole incident itself.
25-year-old Dylan Ersan of Calgary faces the charge of hit and run causing death. For Sun News, I'm Lyle Aspinall.